Hi, and welcome to New Feature Friday. I'm Gabriel, an engineering manager here at Cortex, and today we are diving into new support for GitHub rule sets. GitHub rule sets are an evolution of the classic branch protection rules that allows you to set more granular policies, a combination of policies, and policies defined at a GitHub enterprise organization level that you can combine and apply to all your repositories. So let's dig into the new support for GitHub branch rule sets in Scorecards. You might already have branch protection scorecards, for example, to check the number of reviewers required on a PR before merging. Now you can leverage the new Git branch rule set CQL function to take advantage of all the rule sets functionality. And the best part of this new added support for GitHub rule sets is that you don't need to update your existing scorecards. In fact, the existing GitHub branch protection CQL evaluation rule already takes into account the combination of both classic branch protection rules and GitHub rule sets. Want to try it for yourself? Head over to cortex.io to see it in action. Thank you for watching, and see you next Friday for another feature drop.